Hello guys, so in this video I'll do the demo for my application that I've been built, and then I'll answer the question from the PDF file. So let's get into it. So I'm building this application using React Native CLI with React Native version 0.70.5 because simply the React Native CLI gave me that version when I'm using the TypeScript template. So also I'm using the TypeScript for sure. Also for the navigation, I'm using React Navigation like we can see in this package.json file. I'm using the React Navigation bottom tabs and then native and then the native stack. Also its dependency that are the save area contacts and then the React Native screens. So for this application, I'm putting all of the file inside the app directory. We can see there is assets folder. Assets directory contains the icons and then the placeholder image, and then in the components directory where I put all of my components that I've created. And then next I have the constants directory, consists of platform and then the size, screen size, constant, and then the data for the JSON file that I've been given. Next, move on to the helpers directory. I put all of the function that used in this that I've created to help me finishing this project in this folder. It includes the meter to kilometer, and then restore menu to section list data, and then run to decimal point, and then the spread labels. Next to the roots folder, it's hold all the navigation file. I create two of them. It's app roots and then the bottom tab roots. And then the screen directory includes the my page and then restaurant list, restaurant menu, and then the search screen. And then styles directory consists of colors and then the layout. And then because it's TypeScript, so I create types directory contain the data interface, also the navigation interface. And then for the testing, I'm using the React Native testing library for the unit test, I think. I'm not sure what it's called because it's first time I'm using it. Also for the end-to-end testing, I'm using the detox, but right now I'm only able to configure it on iOS, so it's a little bit harder to configure it to make it works on Android. So right now I'm just configured it on the iOS. Okay, let's move on into the demo, right? So this is the application. I'll put it in the center. So this is the search screen, and then this is the my page screen. It's only placeholder. Let's get back to the search screen. There is a search bar here. I can type in here. For example, I type kebab, and then I tried the clear search bar button. Yeah, it's remove the kebab, and then maybe I try to type Thai, and then press the search button. It will redirect me to the all kitchens, which has the restaurant list. It is fantastic Thai. from this I can press the card and it navigates me to the restaurant menu for the Fantastic Thai restaurant. For this section, I'm using the section list from React Native, so that's why I'm creating the helper function, the restaurant menu to section list data, because the section list it accept the title and data format. Meanwhile, the menus.json is not in that what it's called in structure, right? So I need to change it. We can go back to the previous screen using the back button here. Also for the iOS, we can go back using the swipe gesture. Also, actually, I can type nothing here and then just press the search button, and it will show all of the restaurant lists that available from the data. Here is all of the restaurant lists, and then we can see the new tag here for the rice bowl, and just same can open it and show all of the menu. Also, if we type something that not in the data, for example, we can type MACD, then search. Yeah, it gave me nothing, right? There is no data for it. So maybe that's a little demo for me, and let's move on into the test coverage. We can type yarn test and then app folder and dash coverage. Let's start it. Yeah, I don't know because it's my first time using it, so the test suites and the test is all of it pass. We hit the coverage not 100% on the all files, but it gave me an error that I still trying to figure it out what the cause for this error, but the test is passed. And then we can also try to run the end-to-end testing using detox by typing this yarn detox and then semicolon detox test iOS. Let's try to run it. Oh, it's running a new emulator. Okay. It's running the test automatically. All the test widgets pass, and then we're doing the navigation test right now using the back button and then the swipe gesture on iOS. Okay, for the end-to-end testing, and then right now the bottom tab, it's just pressing to the my page tab, and that's all for the end-to-end testing. And then maybe that's the architectural and the technical choices. And let's move on to the challenge that I face while I'm building this project. It's my first time doing the unit testing using the React Native testing library, so I still need to learn a lot from it to do it properly. And also it's my first time doing the end-to-end testing using the detox, and it's quite easy for me. it's easier for me to do the end-to-end testing using Detox rather than using the React Native testing library. uh, that's it for the challenge that I faced. Also, for the third question, that is, what would I do if I was given more time? Sure, I'll learn uh, learn about the unit testing so I can do the testing properly. And then also, yeah, I wanna master the TypeScript. The type annotation, it's a little bit harder for to type annotate something. I need to uh, search on the GitHub of React Navigation and then in Stack Overflow, like that, for me to write this app. But that's nice for me. It's nice for me to learn something new, right? So maybe that's all for me. uh, Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that I can join the Shuttle team. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.